In this tutorial, we will understand how to provide access to a user for multiple stores. For an example, you have a manager who handles 4 different stores. Now, you do not need to create a user in all 4 stores individually. You can provide access to the same guy with the same username and password, and he can access all 4 different stores. This way, you can create a combination of users. Let's say you are an enterprise, you have business in different cities. Now, in a particular city, you have 4, 5, or 10 stores, and you have a guy, an IT guy, or maybe a manager who handles all these different 10 stores. So you do not need to create different user ID and password for all of the stores. One single user ID and password can be used. To access this user management screen, log into SuperAdmin, navigate to Admin, User and Permission. Now click on the user that you would like to change his access related to stores. As you can see, this admin user have access of 3 stores. I can either remove access of any of the stores or I can add. Here I am adding access to only 2 stores with store code QD01 and QD02. I have removed his access of QD stores QD02. Now once I click on save, update, the access for admin user has been updated. Let us see the impact. I am logging into with admin ID to store code 02 or second store. Now, as you can see, there is a warning message displayed that your username or password is incorrect. Please try again. In reality, this user do not have access to store 2. If I try the same user on a different store, I should be able to log in. As we can see, I am able to log in into store 1 with the same user ID admin. This way, you can create a user for multiple stores, and as and when required, you can add an access of a store or remove the access of a store from a user by modifying his details. Thank you.